Welcome to another Simple Dad iPhone tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to enable and how to use VoiceOver on your iPhone running iOS 16. If you're new here, please subscribe to see more videos like this and don't forget to like this video. So the VoiceOver feature will say the words you highlight on screen. This is useful if your eyes are not good or your screen is broken and you can't see the screen. So let me show you how to enable this. So first you want to go into Settings. Next, you want to go into Accessibility. Now you want to tap on VoiceOver here, just at the top, under Vision. Now you want to go ahead and enable this.
Settings, Accessibility, back button.
So wherever your box will be, your iPhone will start to say that word. So say for example, if I move it down and tap on Speech.
Speech, button.
And there you go, it basically says Speech button. To select that Speech button, you need to double tap on it.
Voice.
And that will go into the Speech button menu. And that is how to enable and use the VoiceOver feature on your iPhone running iOS 16. If this video was helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.